What did you say, Jacob?
It's not 7.
Number 7?
I'm say the password.
The password? You don't need password there. Can you show me what you're playing? Can you show it? Can you show it to mommy? Hmm? What are you playing, Jacob?
Lineage.
What?
Lineage.
Can you show it to mom? Uh-oh. Can you show it to mommy? Jacob? Do you want to go to sleep, Jeremy? Oh, do you want Milky Milky?
Yeah.
Are you sleeping, Jacob? Why are you doing like... Why are you snoring? Can you show it to mom?
Yeah.
Do you like Brain Age?
Dad.
That's mommy. That's for mommy. Jacob.
I was done.
That game is for mom. Oops! Sorry. Hi, Jacob.
I have a question.
You have what?
I have a question.
You have a question? What's your question?
I want to draw number 6. I want to draw number 6.
Oh, you want to draw number 6? Okay.
Jake.
Jamie. Oh, you draw number 6. I'll show it to mom.
Read this.
Yeah, may I see?